Let me tell you something. Being the nice guy isn't noble. It's pathetic. The nice guy is the one who bends over backward for approval. He avoids conflict like a coward. He lets everyone walk all over him and smiles like it's okay. The world doesn't reward the nice guy. It chews him up and spits him out. He's the one left holding the door while everyone walks past without a second glance. He's the one people call when they need something. But when he needs help? Silence. Why? Because the nice guy has no backbone, no edge, no fire. That man isn't respected. He isn't feared. He's invisible, forgotten. You need to bury the nice guy. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. You've been lied to your entire life. Be nice, and people will like you. Wrong. Being nice doesn't make you liked. It makes you a target. Nice guys don't get respect. They get used. They're the ones stuck doing everyone else's dirty work while the world laughs behind their backs. And here's the hard truth. No one values what's easy to take. Your time? They'll waste it. Your kindness? They'll exploit it. Your life? They'll drain it. Why? Because you let them. Because you taught them it's okay to take from you. Being a nice guy is the fastest way to kill your potential, the fastest way to stay stuck, the fastest way to lose everything. Respect doesn't come from being agreeable. It comes from being unshakable. People don't admire those who fold under pressure. They admire those who stand firm, who say no without hesitation, who demand what they're worth. When you're too nice, you send the message loud and clear. I'm not a threat. I'm not a leader. I'm not worth noticing. And that's why people walk past you like you're nothing. But here's the thing. Respect is earned, and it's within your reach. All it takes is a shift in mindset. Start setting boundaries. Start valuing your time. Start putting your goals ahead of someone else's comfort. Killing the nice guy doesn't mean becoming cruel. It doesn't mean being selfish or arrogant. It means becoming strong. It means being kind but firm, generous but unyielding, compassionate but in control. You want to be respected? Start acting like it. When someone crosses the line, you call them out. When someone asks for too much, you say no. And when the world tries to make you small, you rise up and take what's yours. Nice guys die a slow death, buried under their own passivity. But strong men, alpha men, they live with purpose. They live with fire. They live with respect. So here's the challenge. Let the nice guy die today. Let go of the version of yourself that fears conflict, that chases approval, that avoids hard truths. Rebuild yourself as the man who stands tall, the man who doesn't flinch under pressure, the man who knows his worth and refuses to settle for less. This isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming who you were always meant to be. The man who commands respect, the man who inspires fear, the man who owns his life. The death of the nice guy is the birth of a leader, a warrior, a king. The world doesn't need another pushover. It needs a man who can lead, a man who can dominate, a man who can't be ignored. So stand up, kill the nice guy, become the strong man, subscribe to the Midnight Alpha, smash that like button, and share this message with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we rise. Together, we conquer.